How to log in Discord on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log into Discord on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to log into Discord on mobile, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Discord application here, and then here you'll find register or login. If you don't have an account, by the way, you can just tap on the register option and choose to register using your phone or email. But since we already have an account, just tap on login option, enter your email address or the phone number associated with your Discord account, and you can also choose to enter your password. Once done, you can tap the login option to log in successfully. If you happen to forget your email or password, you can also tap on the forgot your password option to be able to reset them. That's all it takes to log in Discord on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.